Hello.
Hello.
Oi, careful not pray for you. Careful not pray for. Last night, I come in bed and I say, God, I make it do. Remove everything in my life that cause me problem. Amen. And when I go sleep, I wake up and check like one piece. You can't find me hood. You can't find me hood about my glad. And I realize me take God remove everything that caused me problem. God, so I tell him I'm fuck me with that fuck. And I would put me in problem so that time because fuck so I can't get fucked back that. Oh, God. I'm sorry, God.
To stop drinking rum. Yesterday I was drunk and I advised my landlord to raise up the rent.
I want to know who make you rum. I want to find the man who make you rum. Because when I find that it's my will make you rum, I must go get account and everything what they go on right now. Everything what they go on, I want to know who make you rum. Because you're in a big trouble. In a big trouble. I want to know who make you rum. I want to find the man who make you rum. Because when I find that it's my will make you rum, I must go get account and everything what they go on.
The girl them come out away, come a waves, you know, man. If you don't walk so come in a party, you know, man. If you don't walk so come in a party. If you don't walk so come in a party, it make sense to come here. Pre this and nigga here, and I want man this. If you don't walk so come in a blood clay party, and you come out the X and the crown, them and the beam and the oxy, them are have a taxi. If you don't walk so come in a party, brother. Turn on the yard and the waves and come here, check in a hug. Walk on them. You just buy one be man. You see me hack just buy one be man, you say I walk out. Yeah? Take in a walk, yeah.
Me say, you know, one time, you know, I go to town, I look for one girl. So me carry enough cocoa, enough dasheen and banana and cabbage, you know. So then I go to town now, everybody in the yard love me, you know. Because me come from country. So night come now and the girl carry me down the road. You know, an old building if you give me one little piece, you know. So when me did there, I get backers and I go on with me thing, you know. One mind say look back at me, so when me look back at me, so a 4 man me sitting up in the dark, you know. I say, yo, I want to go on there so blocks. Me say, nothing me boss. And the man say, yo, how you? So you Wayne did a bad boy, you know. So I say, I wear any bridging man for a country. They must say, oh, you mean blacks, go on do your thing, blacks, go on do your thing. You see, when the 4 man them gone, the girl say, yo, one of them are my brother.
Sometimes a woman can give so much trouble when you take them out. I take out a woman the other night and I was asking her, Shari, what's your favorite food? So I can know what to buy Shari. Shari was telling me her favorite food is plain rice and curry chicken. So me I say, me if you leave from halfway tree, go to airport, go get rice out of plane. Plain rice, Shari, you give problem, you know, you give trouble, you know. You couldn't say something what me used to, like Chinese food or one of them food, plain rice. Me not nobody out of airport or work out there, me can't go out there.
Jamaican woman no romantic again. If you set up one candlelight dinner for them, then waiting can over there walk.
If, like how me a boy, me have all wet dream and them thing there. And me get some vision and me wake up wet. I am wondering if a same thing the woman them go through. But me get the answer and me realize say, woman now fi go asleep, fi have wet dream, rotted. A woman can just look pan a man and wet up. And you can't call that wet dream, you know. Because woman kind of play it out different from man. Because man have to go to bed for go dream about a woman and wake up wet. Because me find out say the more wet dream man get, and the more blood them use, so me make sure go a bush go look callaloo. Me understand say the doctor say for a man now have wet dream, he ma masturbate too much.
So confusing. Them no want you use the woman bathroom as a man. And them a write female pan it. Female. And when you go in there, them a tell you if you come out of a woman bathroom. Because I want event yesterday, I want security take me out of one bathroom. Say, me if you come out of a woman bathroom. And a female me see right pan the bathroom door. And me go in there and I use it. He must say, what me a do in the woman bathroom? Time I went to courthouse. If I was only smart, I would win the case. I went to court for drinking and driving. And when I was in the courthouse, I was telling the judge, Your Honor, I never drink before. I never drink alcohol before. And the judge said, this young man looked like he's talking the truth. And I'm going to give him a chance. But my family members and friends start to make up a whole lot of noise in the courthouse. And Your Honor say, order in the court. Order in the court. And I say, give me a quarter rum and a big boom, please. And them find me guilty.
Number days are cold without you, and I'm hurting while I'm with you. And sometimes I can't take no more, I just keep wanting back to you. Days are cold with my days, yeah. And now my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back. Baby, while you love me, leave me and avoid me. All I did was turn it up, but all you did was turn it up. Looking out my window, knowing that I should go. Even when I pack my bags, something always hold me back. Ooh, that boy. I'm waiting for my close-up, Ashanti. Let me sing background in your town. The boy.